My name is Indy, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And my goal is to break down Wall Street for beginners. And today, we'll be covering the SPY and the 3-time leverage SPXL. So people get confused all the time on what is a SPY. So the SPY it's an ETF, right? An ETF is an exchange traded fund. And an exchange traded fund has a collective of stocks inside of it to make it, less risky for the investor instead of holding one individual stock, right? And the SPY is, it's a ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500, Standard & Poor's index has the top 500 companies in the United States inside of it, right? And legendary investor Warren Buffett considered, owning the S&P 500 as, owning a piece of America's economy, and America's economy would never fail. So buying a piece of the SPY or buying the SPY is like owning, a piece of America's economy. So $1,000 invested on January 1st, 2020 would have been almost $1,200 at year end. So you can't go wrong buying the SPY because it's safe and it gives you a steady return every year. An extra $200 for the year, I'd buy me a new pair of shoes. Now, let's take a look at the SPXL. The SPXL is a 3-time leverage of the SPY. So it's basically the S&P 500 on steroids. So if the SPY goes up 3%, the SPXL will go up 9%. So for every 1% move in the SPY, you'll get 3% in the SPXL. So the warning is the SPXL is risky. So if the SPY tank, or let's just say a recession happened, or something happened in the economy, the SPXL will get hit really hard because it's leveraged. So, but it's a very steady risky play or investment, that one should consider in their portfolio to generate cash. So I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to go ahead and buy the SPY, but I'm just going ahead and giving you the information so you can make a decision yourself to see which one you should invest in. Thank you.